In this guide, I'll show you how to change your background in a Zoom meeting on your mobile device. So this is a nice and easy tutorial. We first just need to head over to the App Store, and you need to ensure you have the Zoom app installed and downloaded on your device. Once you have Zoom installed, we're then going to head over to the application, and from here we can either join or create a new meeting for this demonstration. I'll be selecting a new meeting. Go ahead and press Start a Meeting, and then just give that a few seconds to connect to the call. Once you're connected to the meeting, head over to the bottom navigation scroll all the way across to the right, and select these three dots with the label More. Click on Background and Effects. And from here, we'll have a bunch of different backgrounds to choose from. So just simply select the background that we want to add, and as you can see, that's now removed the original background and replaced it with this image. If you want to add your own background, we can do this by pressing the plus symbol and then coming over and selecting your background. Once you've selected your background, you can click Done, and as you can see, the background is now being added to this list also from this menu. You can add video filters as well as setting your own video avatar, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.